Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting in the Google Maps app on your iPhone. Make sure location services and internet are active so maps can load imagery. Search the address or long press the map to drop a pin, then tap the place card that appears at the bottom. Once the card is open, look for the small Street View thumbnail or image. Tapping that is the direct path into Street View. This step gets you into panoramic mode quickly so you can navigate the scene. Once inside Street View, swipe with one finger to pan the panorama. This lets you look around the scene naturally. Pinch to zoom for a closer look at signs or building details, and tap the /back arrows on the street to move along the route. Use the compass or double tap to recenter when angles get confusing. Two-finger rotate changes your viewing angle precisely. Doing these controls helps you inspect locations and choose your next move without leaving the page. To finish, save or label the place on the expanded card so you can return quickly. This stores the location in your Google account. If you want someone else to see it, use Share to send the Street View link or take a high-quality screenshot for static sharing. If Street View imagery isn't available, move the pins slightly or look for the yellow pegman on the map. Sometimes nearby imagery exists. If nothing loads, make sure the app is updated and internet connection is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.